Hello everyone. Today I will teach you how to create a database to the SQL Server Management Studio 2008 R2 and then connect it to the Visual Studio 2008. First we're going to do is to open our application SQL Server Management Studio 2008 R2. Click the connect button and then into the Object Explorer and into the databases. Right-click the databases and then click the new database. We are going to name our database as example and then click the OK button. After clicking the OK button, we will going to see the database that we created in here. Now, the next thing we are going to do is to make this database be viewed onto the Visual Studio 2008. Now, let's go open the Visual Studio 2008. Into the data connections, right click and then click the add connection. The server name would be the PC name and then select or enter a database name. Now we are going to choose from these databases and then we are going to create or select this sample database that we created, and then after doing that, click OK. Now we can see that the database that we created into the SQL R2 is now attached into the Visual Studio 2008. Now, I hope you enjoy watching this video and hope you learn something.